Okay people, here's the first run of our Doll Overtype Lokomobile 510/1. Many things done to this. But anyhow, this is one of the heavy cast iron based models. It's more than just a toy really, it's a little model steam engine. It runs forward and backwards with a slipper centric. Can I get a picture of it there? There you go, you see. It's got that little thing that drives the valve cam, actually is loose on the crank and it's arrested by a pin, so it'll let the valve mechanism change 180 degrees. Alright, so it's a nifty little thing. It was painted in a horrible orange colour and the blue had been overpainted with black and it was disgusting. I don't think I took a photo of it, but I'll have a look in my records, see if there's something. But yeah, that turned out to be a nice little job. Alright people, a couple of minutes of that's enough to sicken anybody. If anybody's got a burner that'll suit it, I'll be happy for you to send it to me. Thanks now.